little girl. He was a big, strong man. You always blamed yourself, thinking, why couldn't I have ran? He'll be free in a year, and you'll never live it down. Rape in a small town. All of your friends turned cold, all of your sadness deepened. On the way home from church, Daddy said you couldn't keep it. You never had a choice, you'll never live it down, down, down. Rape in a small town. You were trying to live your life when you were rudely interrupted by the kind words of a stranger. You never sensed the danger. He's after you again. You're running and you're weeping. You open up your eyes. You were only sleeping. That was years ago, but you can still smell the ground. Rape in a small town. 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 Rape in a small town.